This is Duck the Possum. I've been currently monitoring him as he is injured, speeding it up, 'cause I be slow. Duck is really quite small for a brush-tail possum, which don't bite. Question. If he was left by his mother, who is Queen Elizabeth III? Don't judge I like the song. Speeding up again. Please don't bite.
Is it this foot?
His feet are not normal. They are sideways.
Oh, what's wrong with his feet? Hello?
Pat, checking for a disease that has killed possums before. This is not at all normal.
Hi.
This is what it should look like.
It's on the ground like that. That's not... That?
Not this. Checking for reaction when touching his feet. Decided to make some noise to get him to move. Sorry. The poor thing.
No, is this normal?
Bad climber. Sorry, duck butt.
Bye-bye.
You can do it.
Sorry, I just need to know what foot he was being odd.
I will continue to monitor. I'll keep y'all updated. Bye, Duck.